guys. No. Welcome, guys. I'm taking over social channel today. Jesus.
Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Welcome, guys. I'm taking over social channel today, showing you how to making banana porridge. Let's go.
So guys, before this video starts, I just want to address a few things. First of all, I want to say thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for your continued support. Thank you, Lord. Probably that me feel say thank you guys so much for everything you have done, like in terms of subscribing, liking, commenting. You know, I really appreciate the support, and thank God, of course. So you know, like I should be saying that, because it wouldn't be possible, you know, and for just the good feedback that I've been getting, it really is, you know, good to see positive light being out there. And in the video you might hear some rumblings in the background. That's just our fridge. I said I think it's the video that I did the sherbet. The fridge is not working properly, so I don't know, all of a sudden start make this rumbling noise, so you're gonna hear that a lot, and I apologize. And also if you're not seeing what's happening clearly, I apologize again, because you know, we rely on the natural sunlight to get proper lighting. We don't have, like, you know, ring light and all that good stuff. If it's God's will, you know, in the future to come. But yeah, those are the things I want to address. Sorry for taking up the time. So yeah, let's get this show on the road. Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make banana porridge. Well, my mom is going to show you. So what do you do so far, mommy? What you do so far? What you do so far?
I cut up the banana. Then
so how much banana you use?
I use about 5 finger banana.
5 finger banana, and you just throw the amount of water needed. It's so you need it thick. So she already has some water boiling, like, you know, she gonna make that boil a little, not a whole lot. I don't know if you can see clear. Oh, you can just go in like this and have a boil. So that's gonna blend right now. Alright, so this is how it looks. So what you doing now, Mom?
Throw it in the pot. Let it get to
So you just stir it and just leave it like that?
Yeah, you have to keep on stir. I don't want to stir, you stir it.
I already know, guys, but just who would I know. Alright. Just like kind of tilt it like that. So this, Mom, round 2 of stirring.
Yeah.
You know, you don't want to show up too much, so I'm not show you. So did you add like vanilla already? Oh, so this is how it looks, guys. In a bit thicker. Look at that. So it's really easy. All I need just banana blended and then the water and the pot of boil. Why you have to add the water in the pot instead? I just left in the pot dry and just throw in it when you blend it.
Different way.
So some people do it just by blending it and just throw it.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Oh yeah, that's all. Yeah. I'm going to get the something there now, the vanilla. So it's in it now.
Oh, and it's at medium to low heat. Yeah. So what you using now, Mom? Margarine?
Vanilla.
Vanilla extra. It's about a tablespoon, you would say. Or you just eyeball it?
Yeah, that's the amount.
Alright. So what are these? Especially for persons who don't live in Jamaica that are watching. You know, tell them what
Not
this is?
egg.
Nothing
The
egg.
grater, yeah.
So you just grate it into it. So what is nutmeg? A type of spice? Just
Yeah, just to give it flavor. Just to taste the spice it up.
okay.
Keep on stir it again.
So how you know when it's ready?
You put it, what? Yes or no?
You will taste it, I guess, as you go along and you'll know.
Yeah, taste it very good along. You know when it go.
Couple minutes.
2 minutes. Yeah, and something to eat along.
Alright. Thank you for your time, Marjorie.
Okay.
Alright, mom, so what are you doing now?
Just turn out the coconut milk now to mix it put in the porridge.
But usually you'd use the actual coconut. So what happened this morning?
I don't have any.
So guys, you normally use the actual coconut, but you know time ago right now, we can hardly find the actual coconut. And it's have a tree on your back to have dry coconut. And yeah, but right now we have to just use this. Yeah, go with the flow and use the bag one.
But you know me at home, I like the real thing.
Yeah, I know. Ooh, it's looking good, man. So everybody use coconut milk is a must. Can you use other milk?
Really, I use the coconut all the
Okay.
time. The real coconut.
Ooh, looking creamy. And this is called banana porridge, Margie. She had the chef in a top chef. So what are you doing now? No, the last
Turn it off
thing.
now.
Mm-hmm.
And just take it off for me. Put about 1, 2, 3 spoons of sugar to see if it sweets.
3 tablespoons of
Sugar.
sugar.
Just to sweeten it.
Yeah. And then you finish. Because you turn it off, so
Yeah, it's finished. Then leave it out now to pour.
Alright, so that's how you make banana
Yeah,
porridge.
porridge.
Easy, 1, 2.
2, 3.
Alright, mom, thank you for sharing your recipe.